A working video. This actually works, guys, so keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, so this video works, so you guys be sure to go ahead and share it.
Yo guys, what's going down? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Camp Buddy for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, I do have the game, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the video. So the first step is going to be going onto Zoom Mods and then find Camp Buddy. You can search it up if you don't see it, but we just need to download it, guys. We need to follow instructions. It's 100% free, guys, so I'm just going to let it download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and download, and we should be all good to go. Now the last step is going to be the verification. So during this step, we're going to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So Evertail is like down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do this Family Island, which says reach level 11. Or I could do Underdog Fantasy, which also is down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go, and you'll have the Camp Buddy for your phone. iOS and Android, guys, it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to have Camp Buddy on your device. Super cool, guys, totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yes, guys, Camp Buddy is back for iPhone and Android. So it's time for people that are no longer going to be feeling that they can download it on mobile to play it. Guys, you can actually play it right now. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe and tell your friends about it. It's really crazy, and it fully updated for iPhone and Android. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. Yeah, subscribe to the channel so more people know, and peace out.